What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on radiator guards on this 2024 KX450. Protect your Kawasaki with rock-solid billet aluminum guards. Simple to install, no brackets or bracing involved. Compatible with oversized fuel tanks. Does not impede airflow and helps to protect the core of the radiators and keep coolant in your bike during a crash. Lightweight but superior strength makes the BPD guards top of the list in outfitting and protecting your bike.